just got to only had them like 2 weeks. I was running JetFood 3.3s, 15s in the fourth order, doing the 162.1.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Two
of them. Wow.
I dropped my C-Max. My C-Max had fell off my wall, and it landed on the amp, and it arced one of the amps. It's still playing,
yeah,
but I'm not getting the same power as I was.
Okay.
I metered the 162.1 was my highest. I just
That's good, man.
When I built it, my first burp was 161. And then I made some adjustment on the game, then I did a 162.1. And then I went and got some air rides helpers on the springs. And then I demoed for the people at the shop that did it.
Yeah.
And then that's when the battery fell on my amp.
Man.
So you said, I got there, I never hit a 160 or nothing, you know what I mean?
That's exciting right there, man.
So you see, I had to get another one.
There you go. Can I see the back real quick? Yeah. Wow. So is that 6 of the Avatar 15s? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep, I just got to only had them like 2 weeks. I was running JetFood 3.3s, 15s in the fourth order, doing the 162.1. Then the battery fell on my amp, and then the highest I did right now is a 158.
So it hit right here?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you might have shorted out a part of the amp maybe or something.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Because you can hear it when I turn the gains, you can hear it go click, click, click.
Oh, yeah.
Feed.
So this is your first box. You did a good job, man.
Thank you, man.
And it didn't slide in. You built it in?
Yeah, I built it in.
There you go. Oh, that's a hard job right there. You did good.
Everything by myself.
Nice job. Nice to meet you too, man. That's awesome. So who built this, man?
I did.
Nice job.
My first box ever.
First box ever, as in like wall build or just box?
Box period.
Really? Wow, this is a pretty big first box, man. You did a good job though. I see you got everything right too. Go look at the back while you get a busy. Wait, what is this? 1 amp or 2?
That's two.
2 of them. Wow.
230K, whatever.
Appreciate the demo. Good job, man. I appreciate the demo.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
Nice job. Nice to meet you too, man.